Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I've got an update for you from Shout's Great Create. So as I did last week, I'm going to start off just by refreshing your memory on the things that I've made so far. We've got everything from creative colouring, painting, decoupage, resin, punch needle. I've really tried to be creative in my choice of craft activities and not just to do the things that I do every day. So on to this last week. Started out with a simple glitter pendant using a resin mixture with some chunky glitter and then topping that off with some foil hearts. Day 17, not my finest hour. I love shrinky dinks and shrink plastic, but this did not quite go to plan. I think a mixture of my use of metallic paint and also the fact that one half of the heart was lighter than the other, and so it didn't shrink evenly. So we were left with a kind of lopsided heart, and as you can see, the metallics just sort of crumbled. They didn't stay. It's something I might revisit again next week. Day 18, dug out my pyrography kit and just some simple swirls. I've had this wooden bottle stop for the longest time. I do not recall where it came from. It didn't come with the pyrography set, but given that hearts are so central to this campaign, it seemed like the perfect opportunity to decorate it and to test my skills with the pyrography iron. It's not something I'm hugely confident with, but I did enjoy it and I am getting better slowly. Day 19, back to something that's a bit more in my comfort zone, some diamond painting, this time using one of the magnetic hearts that came from One Day Saving. I've got an unboxing video for that that you can see elsewhere on my channel. I really enjoy these kind of small crafts that involve diamond painting. Once you've got a selection of diamonds on hand, you do have the freedom to switch up the colours, much like I did with the earrings a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, really nice, and as I say, it's a magnet, so very useful. Now, I wasn't really sure if this even counted as a craft, but I've been told by other people that it does, so I'm sharing it here because it is what I created. So yeah, not exactly a craft, but I made myself what I'm calling a picking stone. I suffer with dermatillomania, which developed as a side effect to my attempts to stop cutting. So to try to save my skin, I made this stone. I covered a pumice stone with a peel-off face mask, and then I can pick at that until it's clean and then recover it as and when needed. It's a bit of an experiment, can't say for sure whether it will work for me, but I figured it was worth a try. Sending much love to anybody else who's dealing with similar right now. And so on to this beautiful blue butterfly hair clip and some pretty sparkly diamonds. For this, once it was completed, I sealed it with the Craft Buddy crystal sealer, which has got a lovely iridescent blue glitter in it, and finished it off really nicely. And finally, a super simple keyring utilising a sort of multimedia effect with some resin, some glitter, some paint. Very simple, just including the shout phone number and a little sort of call to action. If you would like to donate to Shout, there will be a donation link in the description and also in the pinned comment on this video. Please do support if you can, and if not, please do share this video with somebody who could benefit from learning about Shout. Keep an eye on my channel next week for another update. Until then, stay crafty.